So we are learning hydrological analysis, and for now I'm going to talk about flow accumulation. So flow accumulation is a very simple term that you can just have a quick definition of it. Creates a raster of accumulated flow into each cell. Like for each cell, how much accumulation is done from another cell, right? So for example, if you talk about this cell, it is having three value. That means it is getting three inputs, like in total it is getting three inputs. And also if you see here is 20, then it is getting 20 inputs, like maybe the accumulation of maybe 7, 5 or 4 or something like that. Okay, for example, if it is 3, then for example from here to 1, or maybe yeah, something like that. Okay, so it will be in total it will be like 20 cells, 20 value of cells is accumulating to that specific cell. So that is what flow accumulation does. And to calculate this flow accumulation is not that difficult thing. You can directly go to ArcGIS Pro, and yeah, I'm already here. I will just show you from where you can find this. You can go to geoprocessing tools. If you do not find the geoprocessing tool, you will always go to analysis and click on these tools. Once you click here, the geoprocessing tool will open. It may look like this, or you may not see anything over here, maybe just some tools. And you just simply go to toolbox, and under the toolbox you will go and find spatial analyst tool. And under this spatial analyst tool you will find this hydrology, and under this hydrology you can find a lot of tools that you can use. And I'm going to use flow accumulation for now. I've already calculated the flow direction of DEM and fill sync DEM in this in this geo database. So if you want to learn how to calculate this field EM or maybe flow direction, then you can always go and check my videos over there. There are already a playlist that you can find. And yeah, for now let's just learn about flow accumulation, and click on flow accumulation. And what is it asking for? It is asking for input flow direction raster, right? So you need a flow direction raster. That means you should learn how to calculate this flow direction raster. So please go and check the video, my previous video, and you can just directly select flow direction over here. And yeah, that's all. So you go and rename your file according to your need. For now I'm just selecting this as flow accumulation DEM, and I'm not putting any input to weight raster. If you have a specific weight raster, then you can always provide that weight raster. The weight raster will change the value of the pixel, so you have to be very careful whether you really want to add this weight raster or not. That means, for example, if you are adding precipitation as a weight raster, then the specific pixel value will have the value of precipitation of that specific raster, right? So that's why you have to be very careful, like what you are going to input on these sector. If you do not have to put anything, then it will just count the number of pixel that will be accumulated to that specific pixel, right? Okay, so other than that, you have to define which data type that you have, that you are going to assign for the pixel. For now we will have double, integer or float. So it's a mathematics term. Then you can always go and check like what is it about. So I'm just working for like getting some decimal values, so I'm going to use float. And after that, you have to be very careful about what you are going to choose on the input direction, flow direction type, because uh, the method that you use in flow direction, while creating this flow direction, you have to be very careful with selecting the same method so that it will not create a conflict for you. So yeah, that's all. And if you always want to go and snap the raster, you can always select. For now, let's just select one raster, but it is not worthy here because I haven't changed any special variability in my datasets. So once you select that, you can always go and click the run, and it will take a little bit of time to complete the process. Once it is completed, then you will get the flow accumulation value. But when the flow accumulation value is computed, you will be very surprised to see a black output only. So let's just wait for a while and have a look on that. So it is very important to understand that data, just creating that data will not work well. So I am waiting for the output. Just let's have a look on that. Okay, it will be working. So I will just, if there is anything that I want to show you. Okay, there is nothing for now. Okay, you can always go and check this ArcGIS Pro documentation. It is very good documentation that it will always make you clear on what it is telling about. Okay, so I always prefer to do that. Okay, now yeah, see, we are just getting a black screen and there is some white line over here. So what is it, right? So if you zoom in a little bit more, now you can see some more white lines, right? Okay, sorry for the bug. Okay, I'll just go to the branches area. Okay, yeah, is there any branches? No, sorry. No, man, is getting difficult to find. Okay, there, yeah, there it is. Okay, see, you can see the sets of values over here. And if you just I just want to check all layer off so that I don't have to check those information. For example, if I want to check the value of this pixel, see, the value is very high, right? Let's say like 84,000, sorry, 840,000, right? So if you just go here and check, it is like 412,000 only. And over here it is 427,000. And if you click over here, then it is just 18. That means the cell that we, if you remember the flow direction and flow accumulation, both, the flow direction is telling you that from which cell the value is going to which cell, right? And accumulation is telling that how many cells are coming into that specific cells. So if I just click here and check, like the value is like 840,446, that means this cell is getting this much of sorry, this much of cells are contributing to this specific shell. Okay, so this is how the definition of flow accumulation is done. And we can always filter the values on what you want to look into. And for that, I will be coming up with another video. For now, I just want you to understand that flow accumulation is something that you get such kind of value where the cell will represent that how many cells are contributing to that specific cell. Okay, that is what this is mean. So if you just check, just right after that, check here, the value is like 291,000, sorry, no, it's like 2,917 and something. And if you just check the consecutive cell over here, see, there's just two value is added, right? So yeah, this is how the combinations of all these cells, maybe this cells is just getting one cell from here and maybe one cell from here, sorry, the multiple cell from here, then it is getting this value, right? Yeah, I'm not sure like how much clear I'm making you, but if there is any confusion, please let me know in the comment, and I will try to make it clear through by replying you in the comment. And thank you so much for watching, and I will be coming up with other videos, and after that, yeah, you will be able to understand a lot of things. Thanks so much for watching, guys.